Hello everybody, the big Trump bar. Big bars can kick off a very strong trend. Well, let's have just a look at the Trump bar on 3 charts, and the conclusion will be that dollar is king, Dow Jones goes vertical, and Bitcoin to unbelievable 500K. The euro dollar, this is the big Trump bar on the 6th of November. That was when the result of the US presidential elections were communicated. So we see a big bearish bar that breaks through resistance. This is a big bar. Well, how do we know? Well, we have to look into context, and we don't see any such big bar if we go back here. Well, context is as well the higher time frames. On the weekly chart, we actually see here a 1.5 year long, very tight consolidation. This consolidation was broken out on this 6th of November. We've got a weekly bar close beyond, and on the monthly chart we see it even better. We've got a breakout. Well, what does it mean? Well, it kicks off a very strong lasting trend in overall trend direction towards the par level. The par level, the 1 and 4 zeros, well, that's a very strong magnet, plus the lowest low as well. So price should drawn towards these, create a big stop run move, like adding fuel to the fire, and then move much lower to dollar strength. So US dollar is king. The Dow Jones here, again, we saw a very big bar, a Trump bar that is crashing through this prior high. So this is embedded, again here we talk about context, so this is embedded here in an overall trend. We already had 2 patterns, bullish patterns, embedded within another overall pattern. So basically what we're looking for is here a resumption of this very strong trend, but not only a resumption, but we're actually looking for this to accelerate to the upside. We're looking for this to go vertical, to go into an exhaustion move. And the price target, well, the price target is the 80,000 level in the Dow Jones. Now let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin as well here on the 6th of November. We've got the big Trump bar. Well, it doesn't look that big, right? But well, this is the reason is because Bitcoin has increased tremendously since then. If we actually zoom back here, well, it is a big bar, and it actually broke through a series of stop run levels here. All these stop run levels, the gray lines, they were taken out by this singular bar. And what does it mean? Well, we're leaving this overall consolidation that holds a lot of energy, and we are breaking out to the upside from 70,000 just short of the 100,000. Well, that is a huge increase, and that is due to the Trump bar, a very big bar on the chart. Now, what does it mean for the long term? The first close, basically very close level, is the 100K. So we should see going through the 100 towards the 170,000. Probably, well, most probably get a pullback, and then we are off for the 500K. Well, how do we know? Well, we know because we had a very long consolidation pattern here, and we had a big move here, and that projects our target out to the 500K level. So overall, cash is king, Dow Jones goes vertical, and Bitcoin to 500K. Watch out.